Welcome sports fans, welcome back to This or That Sports TV, the place where you come to get the best sports content on YouTube. I am your host, Jomar.
And Rush is here.
So today guys,
so now I want to make a quick transition, bro.
Plug the channel, because we'll be plug the Instagram, sorry, because we'll be updating them a lot.
Right, This or That Sports TV, no underscores, no symbols or nothing.
Very
this
simple.
Or That's Sports TV. That's it. Right, so ready to make the transition? This is the exciting part, you know. So first,
we decided to have a little discussion, just to get
some people, you know. Because we're gonna leave out some names, you know.
Just to get you guys thinking, you know. Please help us out in the comment section. Just give us some more names. But what we'll be covering right now is just a list of some top schoolboy footballers that are notable and worth mentioning right now.
Just in the last decade, though.
In the last decade.
Right. So give me a name.
Well, me representing for goalkeepers, because I myself is a goalkeeper. I'd like to just mention two names that really stood out. Well, three. Nico Campbell, he played for Georges in, I think it was 2011, that season. Also, he was the goalkeeper for Jamaica who went to the Under-17 World Cup.
Right.
Amal Knight, Woolmer's goalkeeper, I think should be in the Jamaica 23, but that's not video for another day.
Yeah, check out, that video is coming very soon.
And Hakeem Chambers, most recent
goalkeeper.
That's just a few names in the goalkeeper division.
Alright, let's talk about some attackers then. Let's go for some attackers. Some people might say the best schoolboy footballer. Definitely of this decade, of the last decade. Some people might say of all time. Junior Flemmings.
Yeah, when Junior Flemmings played for Jamaica College, Pandemania.
Whoa.
That guy scored.
His partner though.
That guy scored.
His partner though, Rafiq Bryan.
Rafiq Bryan was entertainment. But as it relates to a person who was just a machine scoring goals, Junior Flemmings.
For sure. Let's touch on the next team, Georges.
Alright, so in the last decade, Jamaica College has been by far the most successful,
right?
But Georges has produced some gems.
Entertainment too.
As I just mentioned, Nico Campbell, but then what you know about L.A. Lewis, Andre Lewis,
right.
Cardell Benbow, O'Shane Jenkins, I think one of the best schoolboy centre backs. And then in more recent times, Alex Marshall, Gregory Messam, and the late Dominic James, who would have played a good role in
Scarrow can't leave out Scarrow. Number 10, big number 10 for Georges. And there's a Casey though. Rashad Mackinson can't leave out the goal scoring machine. Javian Brown can't leave out those guys. Moon man,
call up Javian Brown.
No, Javian
national team.
There should not be a Jamaica team, and Javian Brown is not.
Please.
But you can't leave out Moon man though.
Georgina James.
I
remember he's one of those players that I think I would have expected to be more a mainstay in the national program right now, but doing well for Kingston College, doing well for Woolmer's as well, and ultimately coming to the national team, scoring on debut, and didn't really pan out. One day we'll have to do a video about Money Cup players and their transition.
I don't love the transition.
So guys, and some Costa Cup players over the past.
Karim Paris up there. I like Karim Paris. Karim Paris, I think his name is.
Ati.
Yep.
Alphas Powell, Andre Blake. Some names.
Those persons made good transitions.
Yeah, those persons made good transitions into Lemar Walker, so on and so forth. So there's been a great Manning Cup and the Costa Cup players. And
what been your favorite schoolboy footballer in the last decade though?
I'm very impressed with Amal Knight.
What been your favorite outfield player? Let me hear your outfield player.
My favorite outfield player. As it relates to favorites, I never.
He's a goalkeeper, guys. So
there's a lot of favorites. I'd have to say Junior Flemmings. I was really impressed with what he did when he was playing football for Jamaica College.
Bro.
Tariq McGee.
I can't lie to you.
Tariq McGee just now?
Tariq McGee, bro.
Tariq McGee was just sheer entertainment.
My favorite schoolboy footballer for the last decade has been Alex Marshall. I enjoy watching Alex Marshall. That guy, bro. So Alex Marshall is my favorite. Then I have other people, but personally I like to watch Alex Marshall. I have better players, but I like to watch.
Unpopular opinion, I always believe that Alex Marshall is a good player. I always believe that he was slightly overrated. Unpopular opinion.
Don't say that, bro. They will come for you, bro.
Slightly overrated.
Everybody love Alex Marshall, bro.
Slightly overrated.
Alright. So next transition.
Alright.
Right. So let's look at the winners in schoolboy football for the past decade.
Yes, so let's go to Manning Cup. In 2010,
You used to go JC.
in 20, I did not used to attend Jamaica College, but I'm just a man who speaks facts. He's the guy who speaks the opinions, as we've already mentioned.
Come on, come, tell me the winners.
The beginning of the decade, Jamaica College, then St. George's won in 11 and 12, then Jamaica College won from 2013 all the way back to 2017, and then making a cameo appearance in 2018, Kingston College, and then JC again, as we mentioned in the beginning of the video.
Right. So, what about the Costa Cup?
Alright, so the Da Costa Cup, we'd have seen in 2010 and 2011 where Seas would have reigned victorious. Then Glenmuir in 12, Stets in 13, Clarendon College in 14, Stets in 15, Cornwall College in 16, Rossies in 2017, and Clarendon College 2 years in a row, 2018 and 2019, would have rounded out our champions for the past 10 years for both Manning Cup and the Costa Cup. It's my uncertain pick, but guys, I will come back to you with more
mid-season
research.
prediction.
And
Mid-season, we're going to make an official prediction.
After
I'm going with
the first
KC
round.
for sure, but that's more of cheering for KC than predicting that KC will win. Right? I don't know much about the team so far. We're going to do some features on the team, so hopefully we can get to know the players and the teams and what they're going to do. So, yeah, that's it for today's video. You know, our first Schoolboy football feature, and
just the beginning, just the first of many.
It's a good video, though. It's a good video. I enjoyed this one.
Yeah, it's nice talking about schoolboy football after so long.
Yeah, bro. So, yeah, guys, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for coming back to the channel. If you haven't subscribed as yet, please, I'll give you some time to subscribe right now. Thank you very much.
Share the video.
Share.
Guys,
What do you want to do?
Guys, we are working hard to provide you the best content. And if you guys see our effort and like what we're doing, tell a friend. If each one of our subscribers can get 5 subscribers, do the maths.
Right? I'd love if that could happen, bro. You know, want to grow the channel as fast as possible. We're here for the process, you know. But, you know, get the channel out there. We want as much people to see our content as possible. So share it. Like, comment, share and subscribe. You know, turn on the post notification bell so that you know whenever we post. And yeah, follow us on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram at don't_rush with 4H. Follow this guy at
Check it in the description, please, guys. I will never remember.
as usual. So yeah, that's our Schoolboy football video this week. Big up. See you in the next video.
Oh.